Hi guys, in this week's video, we are going to talk about my second favorite crypto earning website, which is Coinpot. So guys, this is a micro wallet where we can collect few types of cryptocurrencies. So let's begin with creating an account for ourselves. Alright, you can click the first link in the description to come to this web page, and to create an account for yourself, first thing you need to do is put your email address in this first box, then a password in this box, and retype that password in this box to confirm it, and complete this human verification. And after completing that, you need to put a tick in this box to to accept their terms of service. You can click this blue word to see their terms of service and then click register. After registering, maybe they will send you an email to your email inbox. Why I am telling you maybe? Because I can't remember, because I made an account in this website a few months ago. So if they send, you know what to do. All you have to do is click the link in the email that they are sending to you. But maybe they will not send you an email. That's okay guys, don't worry about that. But if they send, all you have to do is click the link in the email that they're sending to you to confirm your email address. After that, we can sign into our account. Click sign in, then put your email address in this box and your password, and complete the human verification again and click sign in. After signing, you will see a dashboard like this. This is my dashboard. As you can see here, I have few coins in my micro wallet. As I told you before, this is a micro wallet. We have Coinpot tokens, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Litecoin and Dash. So, how do we collect these coins? That's very easy. It's from few different faucet websites. So, let's begin using those faucet websites. Using these faucet websites is very easy. All we have to do is just wait. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 faucet websites. All we have to do to start using these websites is sign into this website. To do that, use your email address you used in signing up to this Coinpot micro wallet. As you can see here, my email address is here. Your one will be in your dashboard in here. Get that and put it in this box. This is Moon Bitcoin. This is the first website. Don't worry guys, I will leave all the links to these websites in the description below. And then after putting your email address, all you have to do is click sign in. Then we have to do a simple captcha again. Complete that. It's very easy. Then verify it and click submit. Then you will be redirecting to your Moon Bitcoin account. As you can see here, I have my email address here as the signed my account. And then what we are going to do is click simply this claim now button, then complete the captcha again and click submit. And that's how we collect those coins to our micro wallet. Okay, let's refresh to see if it came to our account. As you can see here it is 9 satoshis. Yes, the 9 satoshis that I got. So before we go to other websites, I have to explain something to you. What is it? It is, as you can see here, I got 9 satoshis to my wallet, but as you can see here, only 4 coins is in the claim amount. So how did I got the other 5 additional coins? It's from bonuses. As you can see here, I have a 100% daily bonus. What is this daily bonus? This daily loyalty bonus is a bonus that you can get by using the site every day. For each day you use this site, you will get 1% of daily bonus. Let's say you use this site today and you use the site again in the next day. Then you will get 1% of daily bonus, and after 10 days of using this site you will get 10% of daily bonus, and after 100 days of using this site you will get 100% of bonus. But if you don't use this website for one day, you will lose your daily loyalty bonus count. That means if you have 50% of daily loyalty bonus and you don't use the site today, then if you are going to use the site the next day, you will not get that 50% of daily bonus and you will have to collect them again. So don't think about it too much. All you have to do is log in once a day and collect these coins. And guys, these coins, if you like, you can collect in every 5 minutes. Okay, there's a countdown. Alright, let's go for the other websites. I'm going to close this tab. Alright, this is the Moonlight Coin website, and this website gives you Litecoins. And this Moon Dogecoin website gives you free Dogecoins. And this Moon Cash website or Moon Bitcoin.cash website gives you Bitcoin Cash. And this Moon Dash site gives you Dash Coins. And two other websites, this one Bitfun and Bonus Bitcoin, gives you Bitcoins. Alright, so it's the same procedure as we did in the Moon Bitcoin website to sign into this website. All you have to do is put your email you used to sign into your Coinpot Microwallet to sign into these websites and sign into your account and click claim now and collect all those coins. Alright, I'm going to use these 4 websites. Just give me a few seconds. Alright, so I'm going to refresh this Microwallet and going to show you my collected coins. So here's all of those transactions as you can see here. And guys, why I didn't use these websites before is because they are a bit different than using other websites. It's not that much of a difference. It's just a registering difference. All you have to do is not just put your email address, but you need to create a password for yourself for using these 2 websites, and that's it. I will leave the links to these websites too, so you can easily navigate to these all free websites. So all we are going to do is the same thing to collect coins. Just click the claim now and prove that you are not a robot. Boom boom. And click claim, and this one and that's it. In this last website you have to wait 15 minutes, not 5 minutes, 15 minutes. But in all other websites all you need to do is wait 5 minutes and that's it. Then you can collect again. So let's see what are the other things, but I'm not going to show you all the other things because it's boring to watch a one long video. Am I right? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, let's refresh. But maybe you will be wondering, how the heck I am going to collect Coinpot tokens? Well, that's very easy. You will get free tokens for every faucet claim you do. And here are these tokens that you collected, and there are other ways to collect Coinpot tokens. I will show you it in another video. So let's see how we can withdraw our bitcoins. To do that, click View Bitcoin Summary, and then you can click Bitcoin Core, and in this box you can put your withdrawal address and your withdrawal amount, and you need to put your password to this website and prove that you are not a robot and click withdraw. Then you will get your coins. But to do a withdrawal, the amount to withdraw, not the amount to withdraw, the minimum amount to withdraw is 0.0001 BTC. That means 10,000 satoshis, I believe, and you get your withdrawal directly to your wallet within 48 hours. That's easy like that. And what do we do with other coins? If you want to withdraw the other coins like Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash, you can withdraw them to your personal Litecoin address, or you can do this. Click the View Litecoin Summary. And then what we are going to do is click Convert Litecoin. With this option, you can convert your Litecoins into these other coins like Coinpot tokens, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin Dash. All you have to do is click Bitcoin Core. Then you will see the ratio and put the amount to convert, and you will see the amount you will receive in Bitcoins, and put your password and convert. Click Convert. Then you will be able to convert your Litecoins into Bitcoins. But to convert, we can't put the number that we don't have in our Litecoin wallet in this Microwallet. So we need to put the amount that we have in this wallet or a less amount in this wallet, and put your password and click Convert, and that's it. Then you can withdraw your Bitcoins. Alright. And that's it for this video, guys. I will show you the other things in different videos. I will be uploading those videos in the next upcoming weeks. So subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will see you in the next video.